Augustus Joseph Nicholas Burke was born July 28, 1838, died 1891. He was an Irish artist and an academician of the Royal Hibernian Academy. He resided in the Netherlands where he illustrated a handful of Dutch scenes, one of the earliest Irish artists to travel to Brittany. Burke exhibited 15 Breton scenes at the Royal Hibernian Academy between 1876 and 1878. He painted further in his native Ireland, as well as Scotland and England. The 1880s brought Burke to Walberswick in Suffolk to an artists' colony created by Philip Wilson Steer.